Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So today we finally, oh boy, let me just click this up. Okay, so today we finally have the Prime Apocalypse set, and Pure Takaratomi this time. Because I thought I was going to get the Korean one, but nope, we got Pure Takaratomi right there. You can see it right there. And we got Prime Apocalypse and Regalia Genesis. If you want to ask what happened here, I was trying to take the sticker off. Yeah, it's going to be there for a while. And we also have about Cosmo Dragon and Erase Fafnir with Sting, Trick Driver, and we got Hybrid right here. Oh, Hybrid with, no, Regalia Genesis with Hybrid, and Prime Apocalypse with Ultimate Reboot Dash, I guess. As you can see, it said, like, has all things right here, defense, attack, stamina, I think, and balance. Pretty sure about that. And we got the 4 bays right here. Pure Takaratomi. And we got a thing right here that says Gachinko Customized Set. And we got a Genesis here with like recommended combos. And let's go in the back. We got the Ultimate Reboot right here. And you see it's like we're getting a Genesis attacking Dead Hades. And you can see like Hull has the Infinite Lock system, which is going to be my first Infinite Lock base, by the way. Got Erase Fafnir, Sting, Trick, Vanguard, Revolve, which we haven't seen in a while, and Cosmo Dragon Ritsu, Erase Fafnir 10, Prime Apocalypse with Arthur right here, Zero, Dagger, Ultimate Reboot Dash, and Regalia Genesis. The owner is Gwen with Hybrid. Okay, so let's unbox it. We're probably not gonna get any gold turbo bays or anything. We're not gonna get those because you know my luck. So yeah, that was easy tape to remove actually. So yeah, knowing my luck, I'm not gonna get like gold turbo bays. Unless you buy like the random booster of gold turbo or something like that. Yeah, as you can see, Prime Apocalypse, no gold turbo. Okay. Now, okay, so it's like tape right here, I guess. So, yeah, tape right here. Okay. It's weird how they did that. Okay, so I'm gonna take the stickers off the little packet. We also got a little tool for like the hybrid driver. Okay, that's like it for the box. Now we're gonna check the other bays that's in it. Yeah, Erase Fafnir. It looks pretty cool to be honest. I like the super color. Now let's check. Let's check Erase Fafnir first. Okay. Okay. So we got the Trick Driver right here, which can change modes if you can see, which also has been ruined, by the way. I really like Trick. I know like Zinky doesn't, but I kind of like it. And here's Sting with like a see-through color with the red I like it. Not gonna lie. I really like Sting. It's pretty cool, which also Hasbro ruined. I don't like what Hasbro's doing to them. I don't. And we got like Race Fafnir, which looks pretty cool. We got 10 weight. I like it. Also, if you remember from my last video, we got a Race Slayer base from Venom Diablos unboxing, which you can like see right here. And let's put it together and see how the teeth are. I remember I heard like the teeth are pretty weak, and so here they are. Let's see what my camera can do. Ah, there it is. Yeah, so here's the teeth. Okay, now let's see how they are. Okay. Huh. The teeth are actually good. Not gonna lie. I like the color and design of it. Oh, poop. Yeah, okay, there's. I like the color and design of it. I like how they have a trick driver for this, which you can only get trick from Judgment Joker. But here's another way to get it. And now let's check Cosmo Dragon. Actually, this is like, if you remember correctly, I unboxed like the random booster, Volume 15, to get Storm Pegasus, and also had like the Cosmic layer, or Cosmo layer. And here's the layer right here. I like it, not gonna lie. It also comes Retsu and Dragon. Oh, and by the way, where's my dragon? Oh yeah, my Slash Dragon from my World Spring unboxing. If you can tell, like this teeth right there, it broke off, I think, from my Slash Dragon, which I finally I don't get Slash from this. I'm so glad, because I'm done getting Slash. And we also have Vanguard, which I also like. It's purple. I like it. And now we also have Revolve, which was the driver that was used for, like, I think it was last used for like Galaxy Zootron, maybe? No, not Galaxy Zootron. Well, Hasbro released Asteroid Zootron for it, and so it has been used since like the first Rocktavor, not the manga, the one from the show. It's a 3-star, if you can see. Yeah. Now I'm probably not gonna be putting the stickers on this one because it's actually hard to do stickers for me. Okay, let's check how the teeth are. Teeth are pretty good. I like the design. Okay, now let's get to the two main bays of the set: Regalia Genesis and Prime Apocalypse. Now my friend Quackman has this set. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he does, because he told me he got it, and I saw my friend Bash's video when he got it. Sorry, I had a bit of cough. So here's Hybrid. Actually, that will kind of be a little bigger. Well, in the show it's bigger, and this it's smaller. I like it. I'm not gonna lie, I actually pretty do like it. Here's Regalia Genesis. My friend George, his channel will be in the like comment section now. I know it. He has Big Bang Genesis. This is like the infinite lock system right here, and that's like two main points where you can hit it. So let's put it together. Okay. Yep, that can go on forever. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's gonna be like easy to wear, I think. I like Regalia Genesis. Looks pretty nice. I like it. I know Hasbro is probably gonna call it like Royal Genesis from when I saw Sengi's video, so that's that for Regalia Genesis. Now off to Prime Apocalypse. The way that's harder to burst than Regalia Genesis. We're going to be doing driver to layer, like as we kind of usually do. Okay, so here's Ultimate Reboot Dash. It looks pretty nice. And this is rubber. This is rubber. That's rubber. And yeah. So it does this when it comes out, I guess. And we got one thing out. It looks pretty nice. As you see, there's the golden spring. I know Hasbro doesn't do dash drivers. And here is Zero Dagger, which looks pretty nice. I like the red dagger frame. It's nice. And now, right here, the main event, Prime Apocalypse. The bay that's harder to burst than regular Genesis, and I also think Big Bang Genesis, because I haven't really seen Prime Apocalypse burst that much. Okay, now we'll get set together. Okay. Wow. It's in the red. Means it's ready to burst. Wow. That could go on for a while. Okay, so that's kind of it for like the random, not the random booster, the Gachinko customized set. As we can see, we have all 4 Beyblades right here. Which if this video hits 3 likes, I'll do, let me think. Prime Apocalypse against Venom Diablos and Union Achilles, and also Master Diablos, I guess. And maybe like Lord Spriggan against them too. So if this video hits 3 likes, I'll probably do that. So goodbye.